In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Salesforce for the first time and set up your account securely. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just received your welcome email, these instructions are designed to help you get started quickly and confidently. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to login.salesforce.com. This is the official login page for Salesforce. Make sure you're at the right place, as you'll be entering sensitive information. If possible, it's a good idea to bookmark this page for easy access in the future. Once you're on the login page, you'll see fields for your username and password. Go ahead and type in the username that Salesforce provided you. In most cases, this will be your work email address. Then enter the temporary password that came in your Salesforce welcome email. If you can't find this email, double-check your inbox, spam, or junk folders, as sometimes email filters can be a bit too eager. With your username and temporary password entered, it's time to click Log In. On your first login, Salesforce will ask you to set a new password of your choosing and select a security question. This security question is important. It'll be used later on to confirm your identity if you ever need to reset your password or verify who you are. Take a moment to choose a password that's strong, memorable, and follows any guidelines listed on the page. Then select a security question and provide your answer. When you're ready, click Save to continue. As part of Salesforce's commitment to keeping your account secure, you may receive a verification code after setting your new password. This code is typically sent to your email address, or in some cases by text message. Check your email inbox or SMS messages for a code from Salesforce. When you receive it, enter the verification code in the space provided on the website and click Verify. If you don't see the code right away, give it a minute or two and be sure to check all mail folders just in case. Once you've completed these steps, you'll be redirected to the Salesforce homepage. Congratulations, you're now officially logged in. At this point, you can start exploring your new Salesforce environment. If you're curious about what's available to you, try clicking on the App Launcher tab. Here, you'll find different business-focused apps like sales, service, and marketing. Feel free to browse through these to get a sense of what Salesforce can do and how it can support your work. That's it for this guide on logging in and getting started with Salesforce. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to reach out to your Salesforce admin or support team if you have any trouble along the way. Enjoy exploring Salesforce.